Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain Field Nation mobile app review to see with what you're using. So to get started with a breakdown about Field Nation. Field Nation is a mobile app that connects IT freelancers and field service technicians with a short-term job across the United States and Canada. The app makes it easy to browse work order, check in and out of job site, upload photos, message client, and get paid all from your mobile phone. Many users like that payments are reliable, job details are clear, and there are steady stream of gigs for those with the right skills. It's especially useful for technicians looking to work independently without chasing down invoice. However, the app does have issues. Some users report slow loading, bugs when submitting offers, and occasional crashes. Notification can also be unreliable, causing users to miss job update. Other mentions that the app's 10 to 15% service fee are higher, and dispute over payment or work approval can be frustrating. Overall, Fleet Nation is worth it if you're looking for a flexible freelancer work and steady job access. But be prepared for some technical hiccup and always double check work details before starting a gig. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform. And that's it.